bottle at, bruh?
We got the smoke, who want it? We sending shots, 200 front, I got bodies, then I put a few on it. Just hit a lick on the odds for a few on it. I can bet on my nigga for 2 on them. Too many hoes in my meat, I'ma screw on them. They don't repeat cause they know what I do on them. Bitch, I'm an animal straight out the zoo on them.
What's good, YouTube? You already know who it is. It's your boy, one and only. You already know. You already see that name, man. But look, listen. It's been a while. I miss you guys. I know y'all wondering, damn, G-Dot, you don't make no more videos, but you ain't waving no more. You ain't. Nah, it's just, we just got back, from employment, not too long ago. So I'm still in that transition period. Hey, we all got a personal life. You know what I'm saying? Things happen. We have things in our personal life that's going on. But look, I have not forgot about y'all. I have not forgot about y'all at all. I got some heat coming, trust me. Yo, if y'all stick with me, I got some heat coming for y'all. Alright? Just hang in there with me. I just wanted to drop this to let you know I still plan on dropping videos, Hey man, we all got personal stuff going on. I personally have a lot of personal stuff going on, but all I ask is that y'all just stay tuned. Y'all keep that bell on. You know what I'm saying? Y'all make sure y'all don't hit no unsubscribe, no nothing. Y'all stick with your boy, and we gonna get this together, and I'm gonna get y'all wavy together. Alright? Just stick with your boy. I promise you. I'm gonna drop some heat. Y'all stay with me. Y'all stay with your boy, man. And you already know what I'm gonna say next. You ain't brushing. What are you doing? It's your boy. I'm out. Stay wavy, baby. Peace.